Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Facebook page post. So this is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Facebook application right here. And right here, as you can see, I have this option which is called What's on Your Mind. So I'm going to tap on that in order to create a new post. And right here, as you can see, you have the option to add photos, videos, to make a check-in or to add a filling or whatever you want. And right here, as you can see, you can tap the text that you want to be used on your post. So in order to tag someone to your post, you'll have to select the @ symbol and then select the name to the person that you want to tag in. And this will show over here, and I'm going to tag that person. And of course I can tag as many people as I want, and I can select the @ sign again, and I'm going to look for another person right here, and I'm going to tag that one as well. So once you are done tagging, you can just hit the post button at the top right corner of the screen, and your post will be added with the tags that you have made. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.